today my little sister will be riding in this little basket thing. It's a toy box. So, start the video. Do the drift. Go. How fun does that look?